Hey guys, welcome to another video. This week I'm going to be making another craft kit. This one is an ARTSI fuse beads kit by ORB toys, and it makes 3 keychains. So opening the box, seeing what I have inside here. Looks like a sheet of parchment paper. Obviously some beads, an instruction and design booklet, also need an iron, some keychain rings, and a piece of string, and this plastic template. I'm just going to get started with the parrot first. Just placing the beads on the plastic template, matching it up with the colors provided on the design book. For the most part, I wanted to do this because I remember doing it as a kid and having a lot of fun. Can honestly say as an adult though, it's a lot harder to grip the beads than I remember. Once I have the design completed, it's time to cover it with the parchment paper and use the iron to melt the beads. Once those are melted, it's time to move on to the next one. Honestly, this craft kit is pretty straightforward. It's really hard to not end up with something that looks like the picture on the box. In this craft kit in particular, I already had a design for a pineapple. If you've watched my videos before, maybe you've noticed that I do have a tendency to make a lot of pineapple themed crafts or incorporate pineapples somewhere into my videos, and that's because I really do like pineapples. After all the beads have been fused together, it's time to turn these into keychains. So I'm just going to make 3 equal pieces out of the string, so that I know I have enough for each one, and then I'm going to attach the key rings with it. So normally this would wrap up the end of my video, but there were an awful lot of extra beads left over, so I wanted to use those to make some designs of my own. I noticed there were a lot of pink beads, so I decided to go with a pig for my first design. I really do appreciate that they included so many extra beads so that there is the possibility of making your own crafts after you've made what the kit is designed to make. And even after making the butterfly that I'm making here, there were still plenty of beads that I could have designed something else afterward, but I decided to stop here. Overall, it was nice to do something again that I know I used to enjoy doing as a kid. So these are my finished creations. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week.